POV, you fucking did it. I fucking did it, guys. This is insane. This is fucking insane. A lot of guys, a lot of gurus on here will come on you and just, nonchalant, flex their shit. Fucking hell, look at this. This is fucking beautiful. I've been in this game, this entrepreneurial game for the last few years now. And I've been trying to make money online since I was like 14. I'm 21 now. And I've done well over $2 million in sales. And I've done all the crazy shit. A lot of you guys already know. This is fucking insane. Now, the reason I'm making this video is to, one, show you that this shit is possible. This is going to be a bit of a motivational video. Plus, I will be telling you what I did do to get here, right? I've already made about 2.5 grand today. I'll pop a screenshot right there. But I want to show you guys what's fucking possible. I'm 21, guys. I'm 20 fucking 1. This is insane. Let's have a quick look, all right? So this is the lounge room. Right? That is the Adelaide Oval. So I live in South Australia. The quality is not great. Fucking hell. This is insane, right? By the way, I grew up poor. None of this was given to me at all. If anything, a lot of shit actually got taken away from me. Into the bathroom. Not one but two mirrors. My partner is here as well because obviously I have retired her. That's priorities, right? This is all great and, showing all this stuff is amazing. But the priorities is take care of family, take care of people that were there for you. And if you have a partner, retire her ass. Now she sits in the lounge room and just knits and sews and does all that sort of shit. But this is the view from the bedroom. Now, we'll be telling you why this is so crazy in a second, right? So, take a look in here. Let's push through here. Yeah. Fucking insane. You can't really see because the quality's not great, but fucking insane. So, the reason this is so insane is because I used to look at this building when I used to work at my 9-to-5 job. By the way, my lips are a little bit fucked because they got infected, but whatever. I used to look at this building when I was working my 9-to-5 job, right? So I used to work just over there. And I used to look at this building, I used to be in sales. And I used to look at that building and think, okay, one day, right? One day. And a lot of you guys have the same sort of vision. One day. I'm sure there's a building or some place where you live where you're like, oh shit, that's the goal, that's the dream. What do they do for a living? Well, the guys that are living in the building, or girls, probably do what I do for a living. So I sell for a living, and I've been selling for a very long time. I used to be in 9-to-5 corporate selling. Now, when people say, or people hear selling or sales, they think door to door, they think, car salesman, sleazy, persistent. That's not the case, to be honest with you. I did corporate, so I was working 9-to-5. I was making about 48 grand a year, but I was making the company that I was working for hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars. But I was only making 48 grand. So I saw an opportunity online. I was like, okay, all these guys are making so much money online. I literally am in sales. I've got the skill already. Let me go and try it out. I did 176 grand my first year. And I was doing consistently about $26,000 a month. Now this is very, very short story short, long story short. But basically what I did was for so long while I was working my 9-to-5 job, even though I already had skills, I was still trying to build a business, right? Now this is kind of a bit of a lesson for you guys. Don't build a business, at least at the start. And a lot of guys and girls and business owners will actually back me up on this. Build a business sucks. It sucks. You're the last person to get paid, but the last person to leave, right? That's just kind of how it is, especially when you're starting a business. So a lot of you guys have started dropshipping and Etsy and agencies and stuff like that. And then you do it for a while and then you wonder why it fails. You didn't want to do it in the first place. A lot of you guys, this is the biggest bullshit online, and this is where I come in, right? This is why I think I've been able to be pretty successful, is that I kind of say the polar opposite of everyone else. Everyone's like, build a business, do a personal brand, and I'm basically telling you, no, don't, right? Because not everyone wants a personal brand. Not everybody wants a business. So I kind of give the opportunity after that. So when I was making 176 grand a year, I didn't have a business or a personal brand. I was selling stuff for other people. Now this is where we talk about, this is where I give you the $1 million lessons. Leverage other people's shit. Leverage it. Okay, don't build it, don't build your own, don't do all your own shit, don't put lots of money into different things. Leverage other people's stuff. For example, Iman Ghazi, right? Iman Ghazi, he is a multi-millionaire. He's far richer than I am, you know, obviously. And do you really think he's the one selling his stuff? Do you really think he's the person that you're talking to when you message him on Instagram? No, he's not. He's not the person. These entrepreneurs and coaches and business owners and whoever, they have people doing it for them. Now, this is why leveraging is so important. What would you rather? Would you rather spend 5 years, go in debt and stress out and still work 2 jobs, but try and build a business for 5 years? Or would you rather join someone that already has a business for the last 5-10 years and they're already making millions of dollars and you're just joining them? Which means that you're joining something that's already there so that you can get a piece of the pie, which could be 20, 30, 40, 50, 100 grand a month. How does that sound? Far better, right? Well, this is what people don't tell you, right? This is exactly what I did. So I got into specifically appointment setting. That's what I did at the start, which was literally, I don't have my other phone with me, otherwise I would show you. Just sending messages on my phone. That's all I did, right? So let's say, for example, you message me on Instagram, right? And you get a response back. Let's say in this example, that could be an appointment setter, right? An appointment setter is literally just someone that texts you and books in calls, right? That's why all these entrepreneurs you see doing crazy shit like this, why they're making millions of dollars a day, right? Because they've got people doing the things for them and they get a piece of the pie and the business owner makes a lot of money, right? So all the big guys that you see online, on YouTube, right? All the people that you probably watch, if you message them, you aren't talking to them, you are talking to an appointment setter, and that appointment setter is getting paid way more than 10 grand a month. That's what I did. So I did that for my first year, I did about 176 grand. And then after I developed those skills, I then started a few of my own businesses the next year because I had the skills from sales and everything. And then I did about $1.5 million sending messages on my phone and also taking my own sales calls. Right? But this is what's possible when you leverage. Again, I am a normal, very normal, way too normal, 21-year-old guy. This isn't a flex, this isn't any of that bullshit. This is just me showing you what's possible. All right, this is a very short video. I just want to show you what can be possible with a little bit of effort. If this is your first video watching me, all my videos are a lot more educational than this. This is just a bit of a motivational video to kind of explain to you that I grew up poor, I was homeless, I was abused as a kid. Everything that you can kind of think of, I did go through. And now I can reap these rewards, but you need to remember that to get these things, you need to put in without expecting anything in return, right? This was a big shift that I had to make. So many people that come into business and they, okay, I want to do 10K, I want to do 20, I want to do 30. When I had that mindset, I wasn't making any money, right? It was until I changed my mindset into, okay, I'm going to give, and then ask, right? So I've worked with so many people, right, in, you know, remote sales and other things that I've had in the past where I'm just giving everything, giving all my attention, jumping on calls all the time. Like I've literally got a guy that I started working with about a week ago. I've been working with him relentlessly and he's just landed a job, like what I told you earlier, with an 8-figure company, right? And he's already been making, you know, $200 days, right? I give, and then maybe in the future he might refer someone to me, right? And that is enough for me. But you guys need to realize to stop expecting and start putting in, okay? Inputs over outputs. The more you can put in, the more you're going to get out. So if you're sitting there doing half an hour of work a day and then wondering why you're not achieving your dreams, well, you're basically saying that your dreams are only worth half an hour a day, right? Again, sorry about my lips. You know, this is why people fuck up, because okay, I want to make $1 million. Okay, the stuff that you're doing now, is that going to get you to $1 million? No. Right, so start doing the stuff that can get you to where you want to go. So I hope you did enjoy this quick little video. I enjoyed making it. I enjoy this videos for you guys. I'm a very real, honest guy. And I fucking love these videos. So I'll catch you fuckers on the next video. It'll be more educational, but take everything that I said, apply it, use it, and go make a fuck ton of money. I'll see you.